is there a place you really want to go which we've never even heard of yet?
Well, I'll kick off and say that there's a number of places. We've only seen but small bits of the Silra, and we've really only seen a small section of the Shattered Teeth. And that's not even considering all of like the underwater nations. You guys have never been like really in any of the ocean parts of the world aside from a couple of delves.
Wait. Also, underwater nations?
No, there are cultures and what? What are you? This
Wait, can we be mermaids? Can we all just be mermaids? Can we have one shot mermaid? Mermaid wedding, Jester polymorphs everyone into mermaids and it's all underwater.
This is your fault now. You did this.
Okay, but here's a real question. Is that too much for divine intervention for RT to turn everyone to mermaids for like just that much time?
There's only one way to find out. Alright, rest of you, answers, go.
More Shattered Teeth, please. Yeah, Shattered Teeth looked amazing. There are a million floating islands. They're all moving in different directions. It makes no sense. I want to know why.
Same answer.
Shattered Teeth.
I don't know if we'll ever go there, but I'm curious about what's underground. We got little peaks back in Campaign 1, but I'm sure there's more.
Anyway. Friends, I still want to know what's going on with those people under the dome. There's so much. I want to go there so bad. I love it there.
And also Silra. We've really only barely touched the Silra, like Vasselheim and then the Split, but like there's so much of that we haven't seen.
Yeah, and the underside of the planet too.